Good morning students, how are you all? So today in English grammar we are starting a new topic, new chapter, articles, and a and the are articles. So children, when you see at these words a and the, you get to know that these are very familiar words, right? Because we use it in every sentence, we use articles in every sentence. So today I will teach you how and where to use these articles, and I will tell you few rules of how and where to use articles. So let's get started. The words a and the are called articles. Which words? A and the. Okay, they are used to point out people or things. Why are articles used? To point out things or people. Articles can be classified into two categories. It is definite and indefinite. So there are two kinds of articles, one is definite and one is indefinite. Okay, the is called the definite article. This highlighted word the is definite article because it points out the definite or the specific things. For example, the sun sets in the west. Sun is specific, sun is definite, there is only one sun, right? So the sun sets in the west. West is also specific. We are specifically talking about the west direction. There are four directions, right? North, south, east and west. So we are particularly talking about the west direction. So the sun sets in the west. So the article the is used because we are talking about a specific object, that is sun, and a specific direction, definite direction, that is west. Now indefinite articles. A or an is called the indefinite articles. Okay, a and an are called the indefinite, means that is not definite. Okay, it is not talking about any specific things or people. Okay, so in generally, for example, I saw a beggar. I saw a beggar. I am not specifically talking about some beggar that I met in the market or anything like that. I just saw a beggar. I am not specific about which beggar. He is eating an apple. Okay, so here also he is eating an apple. Generally, I am speaking generally that he is eating an apple. But if I say he is eating the apple from the basket, okay, here I will use the. Why? Because I am specifically talking about the apples that are in the basket. But here he is eating an apple. It is not definite which apple he is eating. Okay. So don't worry if you are little confused. Don't worry, because I will explain you and I will give you very easy examples. Okay. Now first, article A. Used for singular nouns. Article A is always used for singular nouns. Indefinite, I have told you, in a and an are indefinite articles. Used before a countable noun, used before a noun before beginning with a consonant. Okay, so we know we use a with the before the word which starts with the consonant. Okay, now next is used before any noun that begins with a vowel. Now listen carefully. With a vowel but is pronounced with a consonant sound. This may be little confusing, right? But don't worry, I will give you very easy examples and make you clear. Okay, make this point clear. For examples of article A. A bull has a horn, she is a lawyer, Ram is purchasing a bag. These all just the nouns here are not definite, like bull, lawyer, she is a lawyer. Okay, a lawyer. Here the lawyer is not specific. She may be criminal lawyer, she may be corporate lawyer, she may be family lawyer, anything. Okay, she is a lawyer. So Ram is purchasing a bag. This is countable, singular, and here bag is not definite. It can be any bag. Okay, it can be handbag, it may be tracking bag, it may be school bag. Okay, any bag. Now the next example. Can you give me a 1 rupee coin? Now what I told you just now. Used before any noun that begins with a vowel. It will begin with a vowel but it is pronounced with a consonant sound. Okay, and we know vowels are A, E, I, O, U. These 5 letters are vowels. So 1 rupee coin, O is vowel over here, and we know that before a vowel we use A or N. We use N. But the article A is used before 1 rupee coin. Why? Because this word one starts with a vowel but has a consonant sound. How? O-N-E, one. How I am pronouncing one? And the W-A-N, I am pronouncing one. So there is a sound of W, and W is a consonant. So we will use the article A. We will not say, can you give me an 1 rupee coin? We will not say that, okay? That will be incorrect. But can you give me a 1 rupee coin? Okay? For example, a university. We will not say an university. Why? Because though it is starting with a vowel, but it has a sound of consonant. Y-O-U, U, the U. There is a sound of Y over here. That's why we will use article A, not A-N-N. Okay? A unit, unit, Y-O-U. The sound of consonant is there. So we will use a unit. A one-way street, one, W-A-N-1. The sound is of consonant. So we will use a one-way street, a unique. Next. Exception while using article A. And students, in grammar there is always rules and there is always exceptions, okay, exceptional cases. Words like dozen, quarter, 100, 1,000, few, little and lot are preceded by A. So just now I told you that we use article A to the countable nouns, right, but these are not countable, okay, but still we need to use article A. For example, can you give me a little sugar? Sugar, is this countable? No, it is not countable. We can't count sugar, right? But when we use little before this noun, when we use the word little before countable noun, then we have to put the article A. He bought a dozen eggs, okay? So, he bought a dozen eggs. It is a quarter of kilometer to the station. A lot of people appreciated the program. So when we use these terms like dozen, quarter, 100, 1,000, few, little, lot, then we have to use article A. Now article AN. Used for singular noun, indefinite. I have told you A and N are indefinite. So used before a countable noun, used before noun beginning with vowel. So we always use article A and N before the word that starts with a vowel A, E, I, O, U. But the next point here is used before any noun that begins with a consonant. It begins with a consonant but it is pronounced with a vowel sound. How? We'll see. I'll give you a very easy example, okay. He is an artist. Again, artist is not definite over here, okay. He is an artist, someone, a boy is an artist, okay, but we don't know which artist. He may be singer, he may be dancer, he may be poet, he may be writer, he may be composer. So it is not definite which artist. So we have to use article an because artist is not definite over here. I need to buy an ink pot. I is an vowel. So before vowel we will use the article an. Once there lived an absent-minded scientist, okay. So A is a vowel, so we will use an. Now the next important point, in an hour we should be in Delhi. H is a consonant, right, but we are using an. Why? Because when we say R, H-O-U-R, we don't pronounce it like hour. Do we say hour? No. H-O-U-R, hour, we pronounce it hour. So it has a sound of vowel because H is silent over here. So we will use O-U-R, so we will say an hour. We will not say in a hour we should be in Delhi, we will not use, it will be incorrect, okay, it will be an incorrect sentence. So we will say in an hour we should be in Delhi. Next, he is an honest person. Again, H-O-N-E-S-T. Do we say honest? No, it is an incorrect word, right? Incorrect pronunciation. We pronounce honest. We pronounce with the word O, and O is a vowel. So, like R, here also H is silent. Honest person. So, O is a sound of vowel. So, we will use an honest person. He will not say he is a honest person. We will say he is an honest person. Next, an MP, M, but the sound is AM, right? MP, AMMP. So we will use article ANN. NMA. Okay, he is an MA. Okay, so MA, though it starts with the consonant, but it has a sound of a vowel. Now the last one is article the. Article the are definite. It talks about the specific things or a people. Used for singular common noun. Definite. Definite means specific. For example, the Taj Mahal. We know that there is a Taj Mahal. There is only one Taj Mahal in the whole world, and it is one of the 7 wonders of the world. So Taj Mahal is located at Agra in our country. So we are very specific. When we say Taj Mahal, we know which Taj Mahal we are talking about. So it is very specific. So we will use the article the Taj Mahal. The Red Fort. The Indus River. Proper nouns. Okay. Before proper nouns, we will use article the. Use with the superlatives. Okay. What is superlatives? In the last class, I have explained you. There are 3 degrees of comparison, that is positive, comparative and superlative, and superlatives are the highest form of degree of comparison. So when we use the highest form of degree of comparison, we will use the article the. For example, he is the most intelligent boy in the class. So here the intelligent is the superlative, okay, the highest form of the degree of comparison. So we will use article the. Next case, use with nouns such as earth, sun, moon, etc. Okay, earth, sun, moon are also proper nouns. So we will use the. For example, we could see the stars at night. We could see the sun through the clouds. So these are proper nouns. So we will use article the. Now, used before the ordinals. For example, first, third, fifth. Okay, what are ordinals? Ordinal number we know: first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. The position, these positions are called ordinal numbers. So we will always use article the before ordinal numbers. She was the first one to reach here. Okay, she was the first one. Here there is an ordinal number over here. So we will use article the. Next, he was the 4th person to ask me the same question that day. So the 4th person, 4th is an ordinal number. So we have to use article the. Now use before musical instrument. Okay, he plays the piano. So before musical instrument we need to use article the. He plays the piano. She likes playing the guitar. Okay, so this much for today. So student, I hope you have understood the basic knowledge of articles, how and where to use articles. Okay, and I have given you some basic rules and I have also given you basic examples, very easy examples. So I hope you are little bit clear about the articles, how and where to use articles a and the. Thank you.